By chapter 4 of The Alchemist, Santiago has already faced his first major setback, being robbed in a foreign land. Yet, instead of giving up, he chooses to adapt. This chapter shows us the power of resilience and resourcefulness when everything seems lost. Santiago learns that even in the most difficult moments, there are opportunities to grow and discover new paths. After his devastating loss in Tangier, Santiago could have given up on his journey. But chapter 4 highlights the strength of his spirit. Santiago finds work at a crystal merchant's shop, where he begins to learn a valuable lesson. You can rebuild from any loss, and every setback offers a chance to learn. The merchant Santiago works for is comfortable with his simple life but dreams of something more. Yet unlike Santiago, he never acts on those dreams. This stark contrast between the merchant and Santiago shows the importance of resilience and ambition. Santiago's hard work and creativity start to improve the shop, showing how adversity can lead to unexpected opportunities. Santiago's experience teaches us that when we embrace change, even the smallest actions can lead to success. This chapter serves as a reminder to never give up, even when the road ahead seems unclear. Chapter 4 is all about resilience and the power of persistence. Santiago's ability to adapt and find opportunity in hardship is what keeps his dream alive. As we continue on Santiago's journey, we see that setbacks are not the end. They're often just the beginning. Want to know how Santiago's journey unfolds? Subscribe to our channel and follow along as we explore each chapter of The Alchemist.